Namaste, this is Pedagogy of Chemistry class, and today's our topic is importance of audio-visual aids in teaching and learning chemistry. You know about the audio-visual aids in teaching. So in this class we discuss about the importance of audio-visual aids. Audiovisual materials is a technique and which involves the sense of vision as well as hearing. It is usually used in presentation prepared by the businessman and to show graphs on the study of companies, college, universities, students to their reports, and especially the teachers who used audiovisual material to clearly explain the lesson of the student. Now I tell you about the audiovisual aids. Audiovisual aids are any device which can be used to make the learning experience more concentrate and more realistic and more dynamic. Audiovisual aid is the combination of two media. Auditory aids, any instructional device that can be heard but not seen. For example, tape recorder, microphones, earphones, etc. And visual aids are any instructional device that can be seen but not heard, like slide, film strips, etc. Purpose of audiovisual aids. These are the most important point of this lesson. The main purpose of audiovisual aids are best motivation, clear image, save energy and time, antidote of disease of verbal instructionals, capture attention, reinforcement to learners, positive transfer of learning, gain and hold student interest, increase understanding and retention, stimulate the development of understanding and attitudes. So these are the main purpose of audiovisual aids. Now I tell you about the functions of audiovisual aids. First is they supply a concrete basis for conceptual thinking and hence reduce meaningless word response of students. They have high degree of interest for students. They make learning more permanent. They offer a reality of experience which stimulate self-activity on the part of pupil. Develop continuity of thoughts. This is especially true for motion pictures. They provide experience not easily obtained through other materials and contribute to the efficiency, depth and variety of learning. Now we discuss about the use of audiovisual materials in education. First use is students will gain knowledge of the latest in involving theoretical and practical applications in the communication field utilizing various resources and methods of inquiry. Students will grow intellectually in their oral and written communication and critical thinking skill. Students will become aware of the ethical and spiritual implications of communication on a diverse and global level. Next use is students will be knowledgeable of the latest of technology, software applications and visual communication skills with the ability to demonstrate the skills in using technology. So these are the uses, purpose and functions of audiovisual aids and types of audiovisual aids and importance of audiovisual aids in education. Thank you so much. Hope you understand.